In this video, we will be discussing General Mathematics Quarter 1, Module 3, entitled Operations on Functions. We will be using the reference came from the central office. So for the operations on functions, basically, we have 5 operations. Number 1 will be the addition, the subtraction, the multiplication, division, and the composite function. For the addition of functions, let's say I will let f and g be functions. So if you are going to add f plus g of x, will become f of x plus g of x. For the subtraction of functions, f minus g of x will become f of x minus g of x. For the multiplication, we have f times g of x. This will become f of x times g of x. For the division of functions, f divided by g of x is equal to f of x divided by g of x, where g of x should not be equal to 0. Number 5 will be the composite function. We have f of g of x will become f of g of x. For example number 1, this is an example for the operations 1, 2, 3, and 4. We are given with the following functions. F of x is equal to x plus 5, g of x is equal to 2x minus 1, h of x is equal to 2x squared plus 9x minus 5. So, determine the following functions. So for letter A, this will be the addition of functions. So if we are going to add f plus g of x, B will be f minus g of x. Letter C, f times g of x. Letter D, we have h divided by g of x. For letter A, if we have f plus g of x, so this will become f of x plus g of x. Then in our given, we have f of x is equal to x plus 5. And g of x equal to 2x minus 1. So therefore, we will be replacing the value of f of x here. So f of x equal to x plus 5. So therefore, this f of x will become x plus 5. Plus, the value of g of x is equal to 2x minus 1. So therefore, g of x will be equal to 2x minus 1. So we have x plus 5 plus 2x minus 1. Then we are going to combine like terms. So we have here x and 2x. So therefore, x plus 2x, that is equal to 3x. Then 5 plus negative 1, and that is equal to 4. So therefore, f of x plus g of x is equal to 3x plus 4. For letter B, we have here f minus g of x. So this will become f of x minus g of x. And we are given with f of x that is equal to x plus 5. So we'll replace f of x here with x plus 5 minus g of x. So for our g of x, we are given with 2x minus 1. So therefore, si g of x will be replaced by 2x minus 1. So we will be distributing this sign in the entire expressions for g of x. So we have negative times 2x, so that is negative 2x. Negative times negative 1, so that is equal to positive 1. Then after that one, we are going to combine like terms. So we have x and 2x. So we have x minus 2x, that is equal to negative x. Then 5 plus 1, so that is equal to positive 6. Therefore, f of x minus g of x is equal to negative x plus 6. Letter C, f times g of x. This will become f of x times g of x. F of x will be replaced by our given function, no? X plus 5. So that is f of x will be replaced by x plus 5. Then g of x will be replaced by 2x minus 1. Then we are going to multiply this expression with this expression. So we have x times 2x, that is equal to 2x squared. 5 times 2x, that is equal to 10x. Then x times negative 1, so that is equal to negative x. 5 times negative 1, that is equal to negative 5. Again, we are going to combine like terms. So we have here, we only have 2x squared, so we have 2x squared. So for x, we have 10x minus x, so that is equal to 9x. Then lastly, we have negative 5. So therefore, f of x times g of x is equal to 2x squared plus 9x minus 5. Letter D, we have h divided by g of x. So this will become h of x divided by g of x. So we are going to replace the value for h of x. H of x is equivalent to, so our h of x is equal to 2x squared plus 9x minus 5. So we'll replace h of x by this expression. So we have here 2x squared plus 9x minus 5. Then g of x will be replaced by the value 2x minus 1. So we have here 2x minus 1. For the division of functions, we will try our best to factor out every or each expression. So in this example, 2x squared plus 9x minus 5 can be factored into 2x minus 1 times x plus 5. Then 2x minus 1 is already in the simplest form. So we have here x plus 5 times 2x minus 1. So we have also here 2x minus 1. So since we have a common terms from the numerator and the denominator, we are going to cancel these terms. 2x minus 1 divided by 2x minus 1. So what we have now is only x plus 5. So therefore, h of x divided by g of x is equal to x plus 5. For letter E, the example for letter E is the same with example letter A. So here, the difference is only x was replaced by 3. So therefore, we can go directly here. The x here will be replaced by 3. So therefore, we'll have 3 times 3 plus 4. So that is equal to, this is 3 times 3, 9 plus 4, that is 13. But in this example, pwede pod tagsa-tagsaon nimo. Kwaon una ang f of 3. Since our f of x is equal to x plus 5, so si x diri gipulihan og 3. So therefore, kada x diri pulihan ako og 3, no? Kay si x diri gipulihan og 3 diri. So x will be replaced by 3. So therefore, we have 3 plus 5, that is 8. That is for f of 3. Sa g of x, that is equal to 2x minus 1, again, we are going to find g of 3. No? Okay, we have here f plus g of 3. We have f of 3 plus g of 3. So therefore, since x will be replaced by 3, kada x diri, pulihan na po nato og 3. So therefore, we have 2 times 3 minus 1. So we'll have 2 times 3, that is 6, minus 1, that is equal to 5. Therefore, f of 3 plus g of 3 is equal to 8 plus 5, that is equal to 13. Same sa ato ang gibuhat diri ganina. Same ra na siya sa kaning sa letter F, G, o H. Pareha rin siya sa example sa letter B, letter C, o letter D. Ang kalainan lang, si X gipulihan og 3. Next operation will be composition of functions. Muna siya ikalima. So to solve for this composition of functions, we have an example. So example 2, we are given with f of x is equal to x squared plus 5x plus and h of x is equal to x plus 2. So we are going to find the following. So the composite function of f and h of x. So we have f of h of x. Letter B, f of h of 4. Letter C, h of f of x. So for solution, so letter A, we have here f of h of x. So meaning, si x isulod ni h, and si h of x isulod ni f. So that will become f of h of x. So you have your f of h of x. So si h of x diri will be replaced by x plus 2. Okay, in our given, h of x equal to x plus 2. So this will become f of x plus 2. Ani gikan si h of x gipulihan sa x plus 2, no? Kay si h of x equal to x plus 2. So unsay nabilin, we have here f of x plus 2. Next will be, and since ang ato ang pangitaon si f of x plus 2, then we are given with f of x equal to x squared plus 5x plus 6. So kung ato ang malantaw or mabantayan, si x diri ipulihan og x plus 2. Therefore, kada x po diri sa ato ang right side, pulihan pod nato og x plus 2, no? Kay kani si x diri gipulihan man nato og x plus 2. So x will be replaced by x plus 2. So nagyapon si squared. Then plus 5 si x gipulihan og x plus 2. Then plus 6. So we have here x plus 2 squared. So this will become x squared plus 4x plus 4. So amo na siya gikan. We have here x plus 2 kay squared man times x plus 2. So we have here x times x, that is x squared. X times 2, so that is 2x. Diri na po. 2 times x, we have 2x. Then plus kanin na po, so that is 2 times 2, that is 4. So therefore, we have here x squared plus 4x plus 4. Ang ato ang x plus 2 squared. We have here x squared plus 4x plus 4. So we have here x squared plus 4x plus 4. Plus, we have here 5 times x, that is 5x. 5 times 2, so that is 10. Then plus 6. Then, here we are going to combine like terms. X squared, so x squared lang. So, ato ning i-bring down diri. So, we have x squared. For x, we have 4x plus 5x, that is 9x. Then 4, we have your 4 plus 10 plus 6. So that is 20. Therefore, f of h of x is equal to x squared plus 9x plus 20. Letter B example is that we have your f of h of 4. So as what we have observed, same rin siya sa ato ang example number 1. Kalainan lang, si x was replaced by 4. So therefore, since mo na ito ang answer sa number 1, si x gipulihan lang og 4. So this will be 4 squared plus 9 times 4 plus 20. So this will be 16 plus 36 plus 20. So you have here 16 plus 36, that is 52, plus 20, that is equal to 72. So atong answer is 72. But here, dahil po diya ang process. So we have yang evaluate first si h of 4. So since si h na to of x is equal to x plus 2. So therefore, si h of 4, so kada x pulihan of 4, 4 plus 2. So that is equal to 6 si h of 4. Pero ang ato ang gipangita kay si f of h of 4, so we have here f of 6. Ano kay si f of h of 4. So si h of 4 is equal to 6 man. So kani siya mapulian na ni siya og 6. So you have your f of 6. And then si f of x is equivalent to x squared plus 5x plus 6. So kung kuha na to si f of 6, kada x diri pulihan na to og 6. So you have here si x ipulihan og 6, si x pulihan og 6. So therefore we have 6 squared, so that is 36. 5 times 6, that is 30. Then we have 6. So 36 plus 30, that is 66 plus 6, this is equal to 72. So same raya ato ang answer diri. Lastly, letter C. For letter C, we have h of f of x. So this will become h of x, f of x. So si f of x will be replaced by the given f of x. So ang ato ang f of x is equivalent to x squared plus 5x plus 6. So si f of x pulihan og x squared plus 5x plus 6. So ang atong kwaon si h of x squared plus 5x plus 6. So after this one, h of this expression, so atong kailangan si h of x. Si h of x is given by x plus 2. So therefore, kani si x diri gipulihan og x squared plus 5x plus 6. So therefore, kada x diri sa tong right side, pulihan nato og x squared plus 5x plus 6. So mana ni. So si h of x squared plus 5x plus 6, this will become kada x pulihan og x squared plus 5x plus 6 then plus 2 plus 2. So therefore, we have x squared, then we are going to combine like terms, no? So we have 5x and 6 plus 2. So we have x squared plus 5x plus 8. So that is for letter C. Okay, so for activity 1, we have your matching functions. So we are going to match column A to column B. So we are going to perform these operations. Then we are going to find the answer diri sa column B. For activity 2, we have here let's simplify. So, again, we are going to perform these operations given these functions. Same with letter B. For letter C, ang buhaton nato sa letter C, so we are given with these functions g of x o h of x. So ang yaang instruction is that express the following as the sum, difference, product, or quotient of the functions above. So atong buhaton diri is mamili ta aning upat ka operations, sum, difference, product, o quotient. Combinations ani with these operations nga makuha nato ning 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, let's say for example, g of x, i-divide nato sa h of x, makuha ba nato ni? Kung dili siya mao, another try na pod, i-add nato ni siya. So, kung i-add nato ni siya, makuha ba nato ni sila diri? Or kung i-divide or subtract nato ni sila, makuha ba nato ni siya diri? So that is for letter C. For what I can do, we have our letter A. We're going to evaluate the following and then interpret your answer. So we have our R of I of 3. So first, kuhaan sa nato si I of 3. So si I of 3 nato, we have your I of 3. So we have R of I. So since when I of D, so therefore we have here when D is replaced by 3, so we have here I of when D is 3 kani, so therefore ID is equal to 12. Same diri, I of 3, so when D is 3, since si I3 kay 12 man, I of 3 is 12. So therefore, we have here I of 3 is 12. So therefore, R of I is equal to 5. So yun na siya diri sa letter A. Same ra po diri sa letter B. First, kwaon sa nimo si I of 1. I of 1. So when D is equal to 1. So when D is equal to 1, pila ang I of 1? So that is 5. So since I of 1 is 5 man, so I of 1 is 5. Si I diri is 5. Therefore, CM is equal to 0. Next will be the assessment. So kamo na answer aning assessment. And then additional activities.